Hey everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2026 Audi A5. Now before you say anything, yes, you heard that right. It's not called the A4 anymore. Let me explain why this is such a big deal and why Audi fans are buzzing about it. For decades, the Audi A4 has been one of the most iconic compact luxury sedans on the market. But Audi is shaking things up for 2026. Say goodbye to the traditional A4 nameplate because its successor isn't just an updated version. It's the next generation Audi A5. But here's the twist. It may be called the A5, but don't expect a coupe-like silhouette. This new car is technically a sportback, meaning it combines the sleekness of a sedan with the practicality of a hatchback. And trust me, this redesign is going to turn heads. Audi's also introducing a fresh naming strategy. Gasoline-powered models will use odd numbers like A5, while fully electric vehicles will take even numbers. So think of this as the last hurrah for internal combustion in this segment, at least until electrification takes over completely. Now, let's talk about how stunning this thing looks. Audi didn't hold back when designing the new A5. It's got a more aerodynamic profile with sharper lines and curves that scream performance. Up front, you'll find those signature matrix LED headlights with dynamic turn signals, a feature that never gets old. At the back, the full-width LED taillights create a striking visual connection across the rear fascia. Plus, unlike some recent Audis that fake their exhausts, the new A5 features real exhaust tips. Car enthusiasts everywhere can breathe a sigh of relief. And get this, it's reportedly longer, wider, and taller than the outgoing A4 with a longer wheelbase. That means more space inside, especially for rear passengers. Practicality meets style? Yes, please! If the outside wasn't enough to wow you, wait until you step inside. The interior of the 2026 Audi A5 is a complete overhaul. Think premium materials, cutting-edge tech, and a driver-focused layout. You'll get Audi's legendary Virtual Cockpit as standard, a fully digital, customizable 12.3-inch instrument cluster that puts all your essential info right in front of you. Whether you're tracking speed, navigation, or media, it's incredibly intuitive. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the new 11.9-inch touchscreen. It's faster, smarter, and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more fumbling with cables, just seamless connectivity. And then there's the attention to detail. Soft touch surfaces, real metal accents, and optional open-pore wood or carbon fiber trim give the cabin a genuinely upscale feel. Every touchpoint feels luxurious. So what's under the hood? While exact specs for the US market haven't been confirmed yet, if the European A6 is anything to go by, we can expect mild hybrid powertrains to lead the charge. That includes 2.0-liter turbocharged gas and diesel engines, along with a potent 3.0-liter V6. There's even talk of a plug-in hybrid variant joining the lineup later on. Electrification is clearly the future, and Audi's making sure the A5 stays ahead of the curve. Tech-wise, the 2026 A5 is loaded. You'll get Audi's latest suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and possibly AI-driven features that learn your habits and adapt accordingly. The 2026 Audi A5 is set to arrive in US dealerships in spring or summer 2025, following the reveal of the related A6 sedan in Europe earlier that year. If you loved the A4, you're going to adore the A5. It's everything we've come to love about Audi elevated to the next level. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the evolution of the A4 into the A5? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.